So let's have you take a nice deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Relax those shoulder blades. Good. Excellent. I'm going to go just a little bit lower right here. Perfect. Okay. Good. Excellent. Now this one's going to open a lot better than the other one just because of that muscle tightness. Perfect. See the difference of how open that one was? Okay, so on your back, this one you're going to hear a lot louder just because it's closer to your ears. Okay. Good. Right there.
Is my butt in the way?
No, it should be okay.
Okay.
There, just let that relax. Very good.
Oh my god.
Good. Right there.
That felt good.
Perfect. So how'd that feel?
That felt pretty good. I feel like this one was really tense.
Yeah. It's
That
good.
was pretty good.